Hey everybody, how are y'all? Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel so you can know when I will be posting new videos. And don't forget to hit that notification button. And today's video is going to be all about Shop Miss A. And yes, I've done a full face of makeup from the products I use from shopmissa.com. And I will also leave the link in the description box so y'all can see what all type of stuff they have on there. They have like makeup, they have makeup brushes, they have like skincare products, accessories. They have all this. So if you want to splurge on the budget, that is a good website to go to. And now let's get into the video. First let's talk about this makeup brush kit that I have. And it also came with a bag, y'all. And this was $10.88 altogether. I know with all the products that I bought, I spent $35 on everything that I got from there. And the makeup bag is a little dirty, y'all, because of the eyeshadow I had on the brushes. But yes, this is how it looks. And these brushes, y'all, are very, very sturdy. Like, they're not flimsy or anything like that. And they're very, very soft. They're so soft to the touch. Okay, moving on. I'm going to start off talking about the foundation. This is a Muse Cosmetics Matte Finish Foundation. And it is in the color KL158 Mix 9. And this says it's a matte foundation, but I don't think it's really matte. But, and it's not full coverage. But the good thing about it, it does matches my skin tone. So that is a plus for me. And, you know, if you're not a full coverage type of person, you know, this could be a good foundation for you to use. I'm gonna open it so y'all can see how it looks. And this is how it looks. And it's not really runny, you know, so that's a good thing. And it comes in a squeeze too, so it's just easy to come out. You just put on your hand and just put on your face. And the other thing I want to talk about, y'all, is this primer. It's from AOA Studio Wonder Skin Perfecting Blur Primer. And y'all, this primer, it didn't do anything for me. It just felt like I was putting like water on my skin, like water mixed with a little bit of oil, and that was it. So this right here is a no for me. And the other thing is this pretty AOA Studio press highlighter, and it is in the color Throne. It's in the color Throne because I'm a queen sitting on my throne. Yes, but this highlighter is pretty. And it's not like a bling bling type of highlighter, but it is very pretty, y'all. And it shows up pretty good. So this would be a yes for me. I like this highlighter, and I will be using it again. And the next thing, y'all, is these eyeshadows. The Baked is AOA Studio Wonder Baked Eyeshadow. And it is in the color Saffron. Look how pretty this color is, y'all. It's a very pretty color. And the other eyeshadow that I use with that, it is called the it's AOA Studio Velvet eyeshadow, and it is in the color Express, because you have to express yourself. Express yourself. And this eyeshadow is creamy. I was not expecting it to be creamy, and it's so smooth, y'all. Look at it. This is pretty. So I would buy these eyeshadows again. I will be using these again. These are very pretty. And the setting powder. This is AOA Studio Perfect Setting Powder. And it's in the color Warm. And it's a loose setting powder. And this is I never used setting powder before, but I do feel like this is a good setting powder to use. So this would be a yes for me. Oh yeah, let me talk about these concealers. These concealers are so thick. I use the colors that I use is chestnut and toffee. I use toffee to highlight under my eyes and my nose and my forehead, and I use the chestnut one to contour with. And y'all, I do not like the consistency of this, like the formula. I feel like if it wasn't so thick, it would have been easier to blend in, because this was very hard to blend in. So this is a no for me. And this is the Liquid Illuminate Pro Chocolate Drip, and it's supposed to also like highlight your skin. I mean, it's a pretty color, but I don't like how it looks on me, like on my skin. But this is how it looks. And it says you can also mix it in with your foundation too. So this right here is a no for me. And next is the eyeliner. It's the Amuse Cosmetics eyeliner, and it says that it's waterproof. And this is the kind of tip that it comes with. So this will be a yes for me, because it was easy for me to use, even though like I'm still in the process of learning how to do it. This is a yes for me. And the eyelash primer that I used is from AOA Studio also, and I also used the Fat Lash mascara. The primer, it really didn't do anything, but the mascara, I really like the mascara. I like because I have long eyelashes anyway, and I do feel like it did bring out my lashes more. I'll just put a little bit more on so y'all can see. Okay, now the lip gloss. I really do like the lip gloss, y'all. I just bought a clear lip gloss, and then I bought this kind of lip gloss. I'm trying to find the clear one. This is the other. I'm sorry. This is the diamond lip gloss, and it's in the color Posh. It doesn't have a lot of color, so it's like a light pink color, which I don't mind because I think it's a very pretty color. And it's not rough. Even though it has glitter in it, it doesn't leave your lips feeling rough. And the I also use the Wonder Brow pomade, and it's in the color dark brown. And I feel like this worked really good for me. Because it did, like, I could use it. I will use this again. Because I like how, like, because I like the formula of it. It does feel smooth for me, and it's not, like, runny or anything. You know, I guess it does what it's supposed to do. And, I think that's it, y'all. Did I talk about this sugar lip scrub that I got from there, y'all? I got this, it's honey. It's the honey lip scrub, y'all. And it's for, like, dry, cracked lips, because I have, like, very, very dry, cracked lips. And y'all, this is good to use, and it have my lips feeling so smooth and soft, and they are not rough. So yes, I will be buying this again. And y'all, I think that is it. I don't think I forget anything else. And let me know what y'all think about this whole look at everything. Like, would y'all go and test out products from shopmissa to see how you like them, and like what type of look would you do? Because I did this. I like this look. It's a nice simple look, and you know, I think I did pretty good for the products to be $1. You know, it was some hit and misses, but overall I did like it, and I think that is it. And I will see y'all next time. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like what you see. Oh, and yeah, another thing, y'all, is this wig right here. This is actually an old wig from Outrade. I had this wig for like I bought this wig like 6 years ago. And the only thing I did, I just flat ironed it. I washed it first and I flat ironed it. And I just put some mousse on it, and I just brushed it out. So let me know what y'all think about this color right here and everything. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.